All you need is this and your favorite fillings, and you can have some amazing homemade arepas.
Crispy corn cakes, split in half and filled or topped with endless possibilities of deliciousness, begin with just 3 ingredients: white or yellow pre-cooked cornmeal, which is also called masa arepa, water, and salt. Here, I combine both white and yellow varieties together with salt and then add the water and give it a good stir. Add a tablespoon of water at a time if needed until it comes together into a smooth ball without crumbling. Cover the bowl with a damp paper towel and let the dough rest for 5 minutes. Portion out the dough for thick or thin arepas. I did a little bit of both. And then roll the dough into a ball and flatten it with your hand, shaping it into a disc. How thick or thin you make them is entirely up to you. Next, heat a little oil in a non-stick frying pan. Then fry each side of the arepa for about 7 minutes or until they're crisp and brown. The thicker arepas may need to continue cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes in the oven to cook the middle thoroughly. Now let's pile on some flavor, top with melty cheese, fresh ripe tomato, and creamy avocado. Or with shredded beef, pork, or chicken, and crumbled queso fresco with a little cilantro. How about a smear of cream cheese and sweet guava marmalade? Or slice a thick arepa in half and stuff it with seasoned black beans, a fried egg, and avocado.
And you can easily find pre-cooked cornmeal wherever you buy groceries or online.
You can find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.